In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add order tracking page on Wix. If you sell products on your site, giving customers a way to track their orders can reduce questions to your support team and make the shopping experience feel more professional. In this walkthrough, you will add an order tracking feature using an app from the Wix app market. You will navigate to the right place, choose an order tracking app, install it, and then configure it by adding it to your site. First, you need to get to the Wix app area. On your Wix dashboard, look for the section where you can manage apps. You will go to App and then open the App Market. This is where Wix lists tools that you can install on your website. Take a moment to confirm you are in the App Market area, because that is where the next actions will happen. Once you see the App Market interface, you are ready to search for the feature you want. Next, you will find an order tracking app. In the App Market, look for an option like Adding or Browsing Apps. You should click Add App. At the same time, you can also use the search bar in the App Market. Search for the exact term order tracking so the results focus on what you need. This step matters because it narrows down the options to apps specifically designed for tracking orders rather than general customer tools. When the results appear, you will see different app options. Browse the list calmly and look for an app that matches your store setup and supports order tracking pages. After you have found an app you want to use, you will install it. Choose the order tracking app you prefer, then click the Install option. The install process will connect the app to your Wix site. Wix may ask for permission to access certain site features needed for tracking, such as your store data. Read the prompts carefully and confirm what the app requests. Once the app is installed, you are ready to set it up so it works correctly for your customers. Now you will configure the app settings. This part is important because the app needs to know how it should display tracking and where the tracking page should appear. After installation, Wix typically opens the app configuration screen. In that screen, you will review the available settings for order tracking. Adjust anything that relates to how customers will view their order status and how the page behaves. If there is an option for enabling tracking, make sure it is turned on. If the app offers customization, such as page layout or display options, you can review those based on how you want the tracking experience to look. As you configure, keep an eye out for any settings that determine the customer experience. For example, some apps may allow you to confirm which orders are eligible for tracking or how tracking information is retrieved. Others may require you to select your store or connect to the order system that provides the order status. Take your time here and make sure everything aligns with your Wix store so the tracking page can show accurate updates. When you have finished adjusting the settings, your final action is to add the app to your site. Look for the button that says Add to Site, then click it to complete the process. This step will place the order tracking functionality into your website so it is ready for customers to use. After clicking Add to Site, allow the page and app elements a moment to load because Wix will apply the connection and settings to your live site structure. Finally, once the app is added, you can take a quick look at your site to confirm the tracking page is available in the place you expect. If your app creates a dedicated tracking page, verify that it appears correctly and that the customer view is working as intended. This gives you confidence that visitors can actually find and use the tracking feature, and that covers everything you need to know. In today's video, you learned how to navigate to the Wix app market, search for an order tracking app, install your chosen option, configure the app settings, and click Add to Site so your customers get an order tracking page on your Wix website.